Hey everyone. In my previous video, I used this small DC motor in order to make this helicopter from scraps. As you already know, DC motor is a class of rotary electrical machines that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is rotation of shaft that we use to rotate stuff. There are many types of DC motors. Most common DC motor is brushed motor, which can be found in toys, in DC fans, etc. The brushed DC electric motor generates torque directly from DC power, supplied to the motor by power source, i.e. battery. If we want to make a helicopter or a drone, we use motors which have high RPM. RPM is a unit which literally translates rotation per minute. We use RPM to measure rotations done by any rotating body per seconds. For a simple helicopter or a drone, we can use brushed DC motor. But if we want to make a proper drone or a helicopter which can carry stuff or have weight lifting capacity up to 500 grams or more, we use Bldc motor. Brushless DC motor are powered by DC current, which should first get converted into AC current by a switching power supply or inverter to drive each phase of motor. The advantages of a brushless motor over brushed motors are high power to weight ratio, high speed, and electronic control. Its RPM is mind-blowing and it can lift weight too. But why Bldc motor is so fast? One factor behind this is method of winding. Bldc motor winding is different from a normal DC motor. In normal brushed DC motor, we have a coil connected directly to positive and negative poles which produce a magnetic field which have direction and magnitude. It works exactly like this. On the other hand, Bldc motor have a 3-stator winding which basically look like this. In this winding, every coil is connected to a common point which lies in center. This configuration gives low torque but high speed, and this is why Bldc motor winding is more efficient than normal winding. Basically, Bldc motor is supreme. To control Bldc motor, we generally use ESC, which stands for Electronic Speed Controller. Brushless ESC systems basically create 3-phase AC power, as in a variable frequency drive, to run brushless motors. ESC can be controlled with a microcontroller which enable us to make all sorts of projects which include drones, helicopters, etc. Basically, to control Bldc motor, we need ESC, and to control ESC, we need a microcontroller. So long story short, best motor for making a drone or helicopter is Bldc motor, because of its high RPM and weight lifting capacity. Just hook them up with an ESC and a microcontroller and make your own drone or helicopter. And that's all for today, guys. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Adios.